In January 1991, Nish Dubashia was invited by Professor David Bohm, one of the greatest theoretical physicists of the 20th century, to Birkbeck College in London to discuss his thesis.
That's the way that I'm using the word ground. It's the ultimate reality. It's how things really are. And somehow we lose sight of that through this process of descent.
As long as I'm living in a plasmid, I cannot comprehend anything.
And through that process of descent, we create this world where everything seems to be different.
Because he comprehends conditioning, he's free of conditioning.
Now, we could say that our thought or our consciousness is true to that which is, if it is running straight, as if the man is sane and healthy.
As what Bohm suggested is that differences, when they're kept in their proper place, that's multiplicity, and multiplicity in itself is not really a problem. I mean, I said to David Bohm as we were leaving, as I was leaving his office, what should I do next? And I was expecting him to give me some pointers as to further intellectual work. He said, go and live it. I was just sitting by a lake with my wife, and suddenly the mind just went completely quiet.